Colleen McKenzie says, which do you feel is more effective, stories or reels? Well, they're kind of one and the same, because here's the thing. I can tell you, Colleen, I don't neglect both of them no more. I used to, when I actually didn't understand it and the potential that it could have. And I'm really glad that I didn't ignore it for long until I started catching on to the wave of the traffic that was coming in through reels and stories, because anything you put on reels or stories doesn't stay up that long. So that's another thing. And on top of that, I made a $7,000 high ticket sale from one of my reels. So of course, I'm going to be able to answer this question. What I say to you is, no two traffic is alike. If you're going to have audiences that are actually looking at reels, you don't know who you're going to reach. That's actually more favored with reels versus who's favored with stories. Because like I said, your content doesn't stay up there that long when it comes to reels and stories. They disappear. So this is why it's important to really make sure that when you do a piece of content, you duplicate that content and you put it on stories, you put it on reels, and hey, get out of Facebook and put it on TikTok too and Instagram. Get it up there. Because when you look at a lot of influencers, they put the same content everywhere, right, baby? Everywhere.
Absolutely.
And YouTube Shorts. Can't forget that one. Got to put it on Shorts too. Because, right, honey, that's how we made our sales, right? When you put the same content and you don't have to do extra work.